Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just personal hotspot is not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to turn off Wi-Fi, so just turn off Wi-Fi. And also you need to turn on cellular data. So just turn on cellular data after just open your personal hotspot and just check if you turn on here, allow others to join. Now you need to find your device name and just connect on another device. Just turn on Wi-Fi and find your device name and just tap on it and it will just write this password. Here you can see it. So also you can find name of your device here in the general. Just tap on about and here you will see name. So this name you will see in Wi-Fi on another device. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.